So this is how you can identify in minutes how which normal form the given relation is in. So this is day 32 of 62 days grid preparation, and today I did some practice on DBS again, and also I completed the lectures on indexing B tree and B plus tree, and I will complete those tomorrow also. I just left the multi-indexing part, and also I will practice other subjects also before our mock test. But the cool trick I identified was, like, I applied that while practicing. Like, first, if any given relation and FD set, we will find the candidate keys. So now we have the prime attributes and non-prime attributes. So now it's pretty simple process. You just have to check each functional dependency. If each one of them have a super key on their LHS, then no need to think about it. It's already in the BCNF. So that's pretty easy part. But if there are any FDs that do not satisfy this condition, then you have to check only those FDs for 3NF. And it's also pretty simple because the two conditions of B3NF, first one is already failed, that LHS has to be super key. So we just have to check the RHS now. If the RHS is prime, it's okay 3NF. If it's not, then it's failed. So we have to check now those FDs for 2NF. So for 2NF, we just have to check that LHS was not a super key, but is it a subset of candidate key? If it's a subset of candidate key, is it a prime attribute that is not a candidate key? Then it also fails the 2NF, and that means it's in the 1NF. So that's how you can find the functional dependencies, which criteria or normalization they satisfy and which not. And that was a cool trick I applied during my mock test or practice. That's, I think, is pretty quite useful. And that was about our day 32. And see you guys in the next video.